the first team, 5 generators, it goes to Postojna. It's south from Lugates.
Okay.
This is 5 generators. Yeah, another 5. You have 10 altogether. Yes. Correct. Next 2, they go to Cirknica. This is eastern from Postojna. Cirknica.
Yeah.
Rashica. Rashica is not on the map.
Who will take up this here? This is the second part.
You have 3 sites already here. You have here.
Okay.
And the one goes to Ljubljana actually.
The team with 5 generators will go with me, and we will meet here on that road.
At what time?
At what time? Well, we said that as soon as possible, but not later than 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, now if you allow me some more information, just very briefly. First about the teams, where they work. First, THW team, I already mentioned they are working in Postojna. I think no problems, so you will carry on with that work. The Czech Republic team also working in Postojna, everything okay, you go to Postojna again. Then the team coming from Austria, they have 27 generators and they are working on 5 locations, 5 different locations. Important is that today you have a change of the teams. So a bus will be driving around and then changing the teams. Okay, that's the information, and I would like to thank to everybody who was here and to welcome the others coming. A great job done. You were the first, really. Thank you once again. So the team coming from Bavaria yesterday, they were distributed on 2 locations. So 2 generators really close here in Lugates and 2 a little bit more remote. They are returning to Germany. Mitya is coordinating that. They will gather at the place at the highway, and they will be accompanied to Karavanke, to the tunnel, and then they leave Slovenia. And I think nobody is here from there. Okay, and many thanks to the team. They were really doing an excellent job. And just about the team coming from Hessen, once again, welcome here. I hope everything goes okay. Today you have the briefing, you have the contacts. I think it will do for today. And then we expect also some teams which are not today yet present, and they will be not present here, in fact. There is a team coming from Poland. They will work in the vicinity of Maribor, so in this part of Slovenia. We will not probably see them, but we will visit them working there. There is a team coming from Hungary, also offered help. Hungary, they will also work somewhere in the northern, close to Velenia, where the team of coming from Bavaria already is, and an Austrian team, I think, too. And we are expecting also tomorrow a team coming from Romania. On Friday, they will come on Friday. Okay. They have a long journey, a long trip to do. They will come with, I think, 2 power generators from Romania. The situation about power supply is really improving. It's improving fast, so till Friday we think we will have a more improved situation again. So we'll be in the position to shift even the generators we have set now. But 1 week probably we will still be in the need for power generators, and we will update you on that as soon as possible. So we would like to have also from you the information how long you have the possibility to stay, how long the shifts will be, and such information. And
can we, can we just go team by team just to update the information for how long your teams are available?
Okay.
For another week.
For another 2 weeks. We will come up during the day or tomorrow specific time.
Okay, but you are available now with the team till Saturday, Sunday, and then for another week, and if needed, even more. Thank you very much.
So the generators can stay
longer. Okay, great. Thank you. Then we have Czech Republic.
Next week, 2 weeks, no problem.
You said 2 weeks.
2 weeks,
2
yes.
weeks, so you arrive on Monday, so for the 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
The generators?
1 week minimum.
Croatia is not here. We have not mentioned Croatia. There is also a team of Croatia, 3 generators there working in the bordering region with Slovenia also. There are 3 generators there. They're south of Ljubljana. Then we have, Poland is not here, Hungary is not here, Romania is not here. Okay, I think.
So thank you for the valuable information. It's very important for us to plan further activities. So I just have a few information more for you. So today an important event is that the ambassador of Germany is coming to visit the base of operations. It will be probably around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So important, especially for the German part of the team. She will be visiting base of operations, and then she will prolong to Postojna. So she will visit a site probably in Postojna.
Ja,